Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you something absolutely amazing today. This right here is probably one of the best things I've ever found for sublimation. Absolutely the best tape dispenser ever. So I was asked how you load it, so I'm going to show you how to load it. Go ahead and like this video if this is of interest to you, but also subscribe to the channel. You'll get notification when the new videos come out, maybe once or twice a week. There's a bunch coming up you won't want to miss. So it's craft tutorials for your Cricut, silhouette, sublimation, but also I try out all the new products so that you don't have to waste your money. We can see if they're good before you buy. So like I said, subscribe and you'll get notification when the new videos come out. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to link this in the video description. To get to the video description, underneath the video, there's a little arrow that goes down. Click that. It'll expand and you'll be able to there'll be clickable links there. So let's get started. This is amazing. So this tape is from PYD Life. I'll link that in the description also. Super nice. It doesn't leave those weird like marks on your projects like some tape does. It's fantastic. So I'll link that in the description. So this is super easy. Pop this off of here. So there's two separate winders. Put one on one side, one on the other, facing so that the tape is going this way. Pop that right in there. Pop that down in there. And then what you do, you don't take the tape. The tape doesn't go the direction you would expect it to. So you would expect the tape to go where you're putting it on like this, and then you would wind it. See how it doesn't wind? That's not how it goes. You put the tape on like this. Oh, you know, actually, I'm backwards here. You want the tape going the opposite direction. You want the tape going so that it faces back. So it's unwinding, okay? And then what you do, you put it like this. You tape back side like that. See how I taped it underneath there? So you tape that back side like that. Now watch this. This is the magic. You hear that pop? It cuts the tape for you in perfect size pieces too. So that part is cool, right? So I mean, it's so awesome. It's so much easier to work with. But now check this out. Let me get this tape started. Give me 1 second. So now check this out. So if you don't want pieces that size, but you still want that ease of functionality, on this side, you pop that up. Drop this tape right down on there. That closes so that it holds it on there. And then there's a tape dispenser with a cutter on it. So you can get, if you want different size pieces. This is, and it's nice and, so it's got like this on the bottom so it doesn't move on you. It's just fantastic. I love it. So I will link this in the description. I'm also going to link our Sublimation for Beginners group. If you're not in, join. It's about 90,000 members. Just a fantastic group. Super kind, super helpful, super knowledgeable. Just a great place to, and it's not just beginners. It's all skill levels, but it's a great group. You'll love it. So join us there. This is in the description. Like the video, subscribe. You'll get notifications, and that's about it. Have a good day. Bye.